Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you want to check whether your account has any violations on Instagram, then this video will help you. Many users don't know where to find account warnings, restrictions, or policy issues inside Instagram. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now go to your profile page. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Account Status. Here you will see your account health and whether you are following Instagram policies or not. You will see different sections like Remove Content and Messaging Issues. If everything is showing green, then your account is safe and there are no violations. You will also see Availability to people under 18. If this section is green with a tick, it means your account has no restriction for younger audiences. Another section is Features you cannot see. If this is also green, it means your account is fully eligible and there are no hidden restrictions. You can tap on each section to get more details about your account status. If any section shows a cross or warning, tap on it to see the exact reason for the violation. Instagram will show which content caused the issue and what action was taken. Even if everything looks green, still make sure you follow all community guidelines. Because in serious cases, Instagram can still take action on your account later if violations continue. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.